Thanks for joining me again. As you can see, the cedar boardwalk I built last year has completely overgrown and is now surrounded by this sort of 4-foot, 5-foot tall grass that's everywhere in the wetlands. You cannot tell where the boardwalk is and where the boardwalk isn't. So I'm going to have a go at it with the weed whacker and see if I can make it at least visible and hopefully nicely landscaped. So that'll be a challenge. Hopefully I don't run out of batteries. It's an electric weed eater because that's how I roll. I think a lesson I learned is under the boardwalk I should have put like landscaping fabric or something just to stop grass growing up through the boardwalk, because that's kind of hard to get rid of. So I may have to pull them all up and put down some landscaping fabric underneath just to stop that from happening in the future. But anyway, that's the idea. I'm just going to keep going all the way over to where those two big trees are almost. I imagine my face is completely covered in bits of grass. Anyway, so I went through 2 batteries and the third battery I had already run down in the chainsaw earlier today. So I've got to stop here for now. I'll charge batteries and come back and finish this another time and maybe learn something from the lesson. But that's it's coming together pretty well, I think. I don't know, what do you guys think of the look of this? I would love some advice on how to deal with it, how to keep it feeling fairly natural but also nice and easy to walk through. I think it's pretty beautiful. It's a great spot. I would love to be able to hang here and put a tent up. Maybe I'll build a little deck because the ground's kind of squishy, which is why I built the boardwalk in the first place, because it is basically a wetland. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much for doing that. it's really encouraging when people subscribe. I didn't really expect that many people to follow along with what I'm doing. I just sort of put this out there, and I watch shows like this all the time, so I figured I might as well share it with everybody. So thank you very much, it's much appreciated. The likes, thumbs ups are always appreciated as well. If you have any comments, please leave them in the section below. Either way, thanks very much for watching.